Hey guys, I'm Samragya Datta. This is my channel. If you're watching my face for the first time, then hi, I am Samragya, and please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Also, if you like the video, please then don't forget to like and also share. And yeah, that's it. Now, today's video is all about designing. So yeah, so I designed a blouse. Okay, so this is the blouse basically. I don't know if you can understand that much, but I will show it separately. I will show how the blouse looks separately. Okay, so I designed this blouse. Okay, so I designed this blouse, this pattern and stuff. Okay, I designed it on my own. So what I did is I bought blue satin fabric. It's almost 2 meters, not completely 2 meter, but yeah, I bought blue satin fabric from the fabric market, and then I gave it to the tailor to and I gave the design to the tailor, and also I gave the fabric to the tailor to follow the design and to stitch a blouse out of it. And then after the blouse, this thing was ready, I wore it before I doing the stone work. I wore the blouse during Durga Puja. You can see it on in the video of that Ashtami look. So I wore it on that day, but then I was not able to do the stonework. So after Durga Puja, I worked on this blouse. I did the stonework. So I will show you, and I will also show you how the blouse looks with sari separately. But before that, I will talk about how I did it. So obviously you can buy the fabric from the fabric market, that's for sure. Now talking about the stones, I bought these stones. You can see them. These are the stones. So I used different stones. I used these stones. These, yeah, I used these, and then the silver ones. Then a bit of this color, this greenish color, and then I also used no, I used that much only. Yeah, that's that. I used these stones, but I also bought other stones as well. I also bought this black wala thing, like the black stones, and there are dark blue stones here. So I bought them. The price of these are 25 rupees per packet. So it's not that much costly. So you can find these in the local markets. I live in Kolkata city, so there are different local markets in different cities. So you can buy it from there. I also use this the fabric glue. The fabric glue is Fevicryl. You can get it in stores near the fabric market or in other local market. Okay, it's a fabric glue. You can stick the stones with using that glue. And also always use these needles. Okay, whenever you are doing the stone work, do a thing. Just if you are working on that, I mean, if you are using that glue, okay, before you use like put the stones, like do the stone work, dip this needle into the glue a bit, not much, but just slightly, so that the glue sticks here, and then put it on the stone. And when you will dip it into the glue and then put it on the stone, the stone will stick to this point. So it will get easier for you to take it from a place. Like the stones are very tiny, so it really gets difficult if you are picking using your hand. So don't do that. Just then touch the needle, like just touch the stone with this needle, tang, like, then you can just do, like, suppose this is a stone, okay, and I have applied this glue, then just do this. And right now there's no glue, so if you do this, then pick it up, the stone will get stick to this point. Then you can easily like apply glue on the surface or on the portion of the fabric where you want to put the stone, and then put the needle along with the stone there. Like, pick it up and put there, pick it up and put there. So that's how you do the stonework. And before you do the stonework, make a sketch of your design, like make a separate, like keep a separate diary or drawing copy for your designs. And whenever there's a like design in your mind, don't start doing it, because once you stick the stone like with like on the fabric, there's no way you can just you can't do that, because it will like you will ruin the entire fabric doing that, or you will ruin a certain portion of the fabric. So never do that. If you want, like, always confirm your design, then start doing the stonework, because once it's done, it's done. You can't like redo it. So, and if you want, you can also buy extra fabric in case it gets ruined for you first time, like, so you can like take another meter and then practice on it. So that's not a problem. And before you start doing the stonework, make sure that you have confirmed your design, like sketch it on your copy, then color it, and then confirm that you want this or that, or make 3 or 4 options of your design, then choose one. Do that. And after that, that's that. So you don't have to do much. You can experiment with different fabrics as well. I actually bought this blue satin fabric for different purpose. I have a brand account on Instagram. My Instagram brand account is like goes by the name Samraghi Datta. You can check it. So I used it for my own clothing line, but I had this this I have few meters of fabric left, so I used this one to practice. So that's how I did. And you can use different fabric as well. I have this fabric, so I didn't buy another fabric, so I used on this only. If you want to do stonework, you can pick like other fabrics as well, different cotton prints or something. Go for anything. And yeah, that's the thing. Now let's move on to the portion of the video where I will show you how the blouse looks with the sari. So let's watch. So this is how it looks like. Now let's see how it looks on me. So this was the thing. So I hope you guys liked it. That's how the blouse looks, and this was my first time. It was literally my first time that I designed a blouse, and I didn't even decide that I will do the stonework before. Like I just wanted to make a blouse for my Durga Puja. So I just told the tailor that I want this cutting, that cutting on this fabric and stuff. Then I wanted to do a stonework thing. So after that I did it. So it was my first time. I hope it looks good with the sari. So you know how it looks now. So if you like the video, then please do hit the like button, and also hit the bell icon, and also subscribe to my channel. Share the video if you can, and stay tuned for other videos as well, fashion styling videos, more designing videos. Please stay tuned. That's all I can say. So I really hope you guys enjoyed it. So bye bye.